Guys, in this video we're going to be taking a peek at how to find the area of a trapezium. So a trapezium is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. Now they come in a few different shapes and sizes, so let's take a look. So all four of these chaps out here are indeed trapeziums, even though we've got this one on the top right that looks like he's upside down. He still has one pair of parallel sides. And this guy in the bottom left, it's got two right angles in it. That's absolutely fine. That can happen. And we've got this guy on the bottom right who looks like he's sat on his side. That is also absolutely fine. Though he is one to watch out for. Sometimes he does cause quite a bit of confusion, I find. So you're probably noticing here as well that we've got three letters kicking around on all of the trapeziums. A, B and H. So these are important to us when finding the area. A and B are what we call the two parallel sides. Doesn't matter at all which one we call A or B. Doesn't matter a bit. And we've also got H, which is the height of the trapezium. Or if you've got this chap down here sat in the bottom right, he's sat on his height. The height then you can think of as the length between the two parallel sides. Okay, let's have a look at the formula then for the area. So when you have a trapezium with sides A, B and height H, we use the formula area equals height times A plus B, all divided by 2. Now you might see a few different forms of this formula. I think this is the nicest, the most compact. It keeps everything together. So what I mean by different forms, you might see one like A equals 1/2 times H times A plus B. So that is exactly the same thing written down, except they've just kept the fraction on its own. Whereas I think the form we've got here written down, it just keeps everything nice and compact. It's nice and easy to play with. So let's have a go at playing with it. Okay, so example 1, we want to find the area of this trapezium. Well, first of all, let's label it. So let's call the top side A, the bottom side B, and the height H. Now let's work it out step by step. Let's work out A plus B. Well, A plus B is 3 plus 7 centimetres, which will give us 10 centimetres. Job's a good one. Now we can work out the height times A plus B, which is just 4 times 10, and that will give us 40. But remember now we've done a length times a length, so that's 40 centimetres squared. So then the area, the height times A plus B all over 2 is 40 centimetres squared divided by 2. So the area is 20 centimetres squared. Job's a good one. Okay, on with the next. Okay, so again, start off by labelling. Let's call the top A again, and the bottom B, and then the height H. Then let's work it out step by step again. So A plus B, well, that's 5.5 centimetres at 2.5 centimetres, which adds together to give us 8. Now we can work out the height times A plus B. That's just going to be 7 times 8. Now remember, that's a length times a length again. So 7 times 8 is 56. And it's a length times a length, so that gives us 56 centimetres squared. So now we can work out the height times A plus B, all divided by 2. The area of our trapezium is 56 centimetres squared divided by 2. Now 56 divided by 2 is 28 centimetres squared. So the area of that bad boy is 28 centimetres squared. On with the next. Okay, example 3. Let's start off the same way again. Label our top and our bottom. A and B, and our height h. So, first of all then, A plus B, well that's going to be 11, add 18, which gives us 29 centimetres. Now the height times A plus B, which is 5, times 29, that gives us 145, but again remember that's a length times a length, so it's 145 centimetres squared. So then, the area of our trapezium, height times A plus B, all divided by 2, is 145 centimetres squared, divided by 2, which gives us then an area of 72.5 centimetres squared. Jobs are getting. Okay, we'll look at one more. So this time we've got the chap that is sat on his side, so be careful how you label these. You might be tempted to call the 9 centimetre length here the height, but really it's not. Remember, the two parallel sides are A and B. So let's label him. Let's call this side A, and then this side B. This side B, and then the 2.5 centimetre length then is the height. Okay, so let's do it step by step again. So A plus B is equal to, well, 9 plus 3 is 12 centimetres. So then the height, lots of A plus B, is 2.5 times 12, which will give us 30 centimetres squared. So then the area of our trapezium, height times A plus B, all divided by 2, is 30 centimetres squared, divided by 2, which gives us 15 centimetres squared. Jobs are good. Okay guys, that's how we find the area of a trapezium. Hope it's helped. Was this video helpful? If so, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment letting me know how you get on. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any videos. For any further information, you can find me on Facebook or Twitter. Search for Maths with Melv. Cheers guys.